So I'll check all of your submissions. So let us start with your respective submissions. First of all, Anupam Mishra, will you please state in short words whatever you have submitted in your task?
Yes, ma'am. We had 4 topics as you gave.
Anupamji, first of all, I would like to request you, please set up your camera in a proper way because recording is going on. So I would like to suggest you come in a proper way.
Yes, sure, sure, sure.
Till the time, Dhruv, you can mention whatever you have averred or whatever you have stated in your statements.
So,
Yes,
I
Dhruv.
have stated the provision of filing complaint, appeal petition, and revision petition
Hmm.
as per the District Forum, State Commission, and National Commission.
Hmm.
So, when we file a complaint in District Forum, it is done under Section 12 of the CPA Act, and the pecuniary jurisdiction is up to 20 lakhs. And the appeal which we will do before the State Commission is under Section 15. And when we file a complaint under State Commission, we do it under Section 17A1, and its pecuniary jurisdiction is exceeds more than 20 lakh to 1 crore. And the appeal which we made before the National Commission is to be done under Section 21A. And if revision petition is to be done, then it is to be done under Section 17(1)(b). Am I audible?
Revision petition in National Commission
Before National Commission,
under
by
Section 17.
1B.
No,
I
that's wrong. Section 17 1B, the revision will lie before the State Commission, and it's a Section 21 wherein revision petition lie in the National Commission 21B.
Okay, ma'am. Then if we have to file the original complaint, then it is to be done under Section 19 in the National Commission, and pecuniary jurisdiction is above 1 crores, and the appeal which we'll file if the against the order passed, that it will be done before the Supreme Court under Section 23.
Hmm. And
And
what is the provision of execution?
Section 27 for all the.
Yes, Viswajit, what you have notified? Vishwajit, as you are not ready.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I didn't start my speaker. I was just speaking.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
so I have it is just the same, ma'am,
Hmm.
which I like to state in a simple format.
Hmm.
Like to file a complaint in a district consumer forum under section 12, the provision is been set where the required copies of documents is one original plus 4 sets of copies. The pecuniary jurisdiction for the same is till 20 lakh. The court fee regarding the same is for the BPL card holder is nil. Till 1 lakh it is 100. Till 1 to 4 1 to 5 lakh it is 200. Till 5 to 10 lakh it is for 400. Sorry, 100, 200, 400, and 500. 500 is from 10 lakh to 20 lakh. These are the court fee. And what you have is the same if an order is being challenged regarding the district consumer forum, there is a provision to appeal in the state consumer forum, that is in under section 15. If the order is to be executed, the order can be executed under section 27. And similarly, to process a file, to process a complaint, or to file a complaint in state consumer forum is section 17A1. And the pecuniary jurisdiction is from 20 lakh till 1 crore. The court fee lies, the documents required is same, one original plus four sets of copies. The court fee, what has to be stated is 4,000 and 2,000 and 4,000. 2,000 is from 20 lakh to the compensation amount is 20 till 20 lakh to the 50 lakh, and the compensation amount from 50 lakh to 1 crore is 4,000. So this is what I've got. The same if has to be appealed to the national national consumer forum is uh, is uh, is section 17. No. If the same revision petition can be allowed in section 17(1)(p), and if it has to be, if it is to be executed, the order, if it has to be executed, is under section 27. And and ma'am, I just forgot that.
You are a little
Uh,
bit confused. Don't worry.
okay.
Not an
No,
issue.
no, no, no. I will just complete, ma'am. I'm just trying. I'm just a little scared of speaking in front of everyone. It is nothing else, ma'am. And if an appeal is to be made from the state consumer forum to the national consumer forum, it is section 21A. If yes, ma'am. And the execution is from section 27. And to process no, I'm just getting confused, ma'am. It is
Okay, don't worry.
21B.
Don't worry. Just hold on. I'll share a chart to all of you. Okay. It will be
Yes, ma'am.
easy. It will be easy for you differentiate about the provisions, about the court fees, etc. From district forum to national commission. Okay. So whatever little bit confusion you are having, it will resolve. Yes, Anupam, please.
Ma'am, if I am
The
allowed, can
case
I ask
regarding
one thing?
Pardon.
If I'm allowed, can I ask one thing, ma'am?
Yes.
Actually, while completing, while searching of this task, I had only one doubt.
Hmm.
That is, uh, while appealing to the Honorable Supreme Court against the order of against the order of the National Consumer Forum. So the court fee means, I have seen one format, ma'am. There was form number 1.57 or something,
Hmm.
where it was said that the required document required is 1 plus 7 sets of copies,
Hmm.
and the fee which was required is 250 rupees,
Hmm.
which I asked last time also in the group. So I thought that somewhere I was wrong. So is it the right thing or it is the wrong thing?
I don't know from where
I
you have
believe
gone through that. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Anupam.
yes, ma'am. Regarding the court fees, I think the task which I have also prepared, I have also came around that in Supreme Court, the court fee is around 250, which shall be payable on the petition to be
Yes.
appeal under this order.
Yes.
So,
Basically, when we are used to go to any tribunal or any forum or any commission, we are not used to pay the court fees. Court fees is a separate thing. We are used to pay, you can say, postal order. We are used to do a payment through postal order, or you can say through DD as well. But most of the time we are used to pay through postal order. Like there is a railway claims tribunal, or there is a district consumer forum, state commission, national commission. We are used to pay the make the payment through postal order. But when the matter goes to Supreme Court for appeal, then Supreme Court is not used to get the postal order. Okay, there is a court fee, and as per chart of the Supreme Court, the court fee is fixed for every petition, every writ petition, PIL, and etc. Whatever original or appellate jurisdiction the Honorable Supreme Court is having. Okay. So I'm not basically pressing upon the Supreme Court right now, because as per the direction of Honorable Supreme Court, the fresh lawyers and the interns should move to district courts initially for the 3 years. They must have the basic knowledge of law, which they can learn from the district court only. However, when I'll tell you about the cases of Supreme Court, not in this session, on later stage, on in a June month or July month, whenever I will take the session of Supreme Court cases, then I'll tell you about the court fees which is to be submitted before the Supreme Court. Okay. Any other thing?
So, ma'am, what we understand is that the rupees 250 amount court fees is only applicable for Supreme Court.
Yes.
However, when we for other from district to state, we have to pay through DD or postal
Yes.
amount.
Most of the time postal order.
Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
Anupam, please.
and ma'am, in regards to my task, I believe Dhruv and Biswajit has already covered almost the things.
Okay.
I think for revision petition, as Biswajit said or not, I can't remember. I will only add the two things that in revision petition we have to give the document for 4+ and other copies, and the days which we see in the district is something like 30 days, and for revision petition is something like 90 days. If I'm correct or wrong, I don't know. Actually, I'm
It's
not
wrong.
sure.
It's wrong. 30 days is for state commission for appeal.
Okay.
Revision 30 days for both, and national commission 90 days for appeal.
Okay.
And
So
not from the pronouncement of the order, but from the receiving of the copy of order to the person who is uh, going to file the appeal or revision petition.
for my state, my revision petition is 30 days, and for the national, we have 90 days.
No, no, not revision, appeal.
Okay,
30
appeal.
and 90 appeal. Supposingly order has been passed today, so limitation period will not count since today. It will count when I will get the certified copy of the order. Supposingly, I get the copy of order after 15 days. The day when I will get the copy of order, the limitation period will be counted since that day. Okay. Now I'm sharing a PDF which I have prepared for you. Just give me 2 minutes. So is it visible to all of you? This I have prepared for all of you, out of which I have already stated to you about 1986 Act, CPA 1986. Now we will start Consumer Protection Act 2019. Herein, the definition of consumer has been widened. What is the difference? You can see also. The definition of consumer now includes any person who buys any goods, whether through offline or online transactions, electronic means, teleshopping, direct selling, or multi-level marketing. This is the difference of consumer as per Act of 1986 and 2019. Now, territorial jurisdiction has also been enhanced. As I told you earlier, Supreme Court passed a judgment wherein the Honorable Supreme Court stated that now the complainant can file a complaint from the place where he is residing or work for gain, or from where he has done any kind of transaction with the opposite party. And that particular judgment has been added in this particular Act of 2019. The 2019 Act now provides an added advantage to the consumers by providing for filing of complaints where the complainant resides or personally works for gain, as against 1986 Act, which only provides for filing the complaint where opposite party resides. 1986 Act says if any person or any consumer wants to file a complaint, then he have to file in that area where the respondent or opposite party is used to reside or work for gain. But 2019 Act says the complainant can file a complaint in the area where he is residing or where he works for gain. This would help in removing the difficulties faced by the consumer seeking redressal of their grievances against businesses who may not have an office or branch in their state. Next, 1986 pecuniary jurisdiction, just now you have also told, but in 2019 Act, pecuniary jurisdiction has been revised. Revised pecuniary limits have been fixed under the new Act. Accordingly, the district forum can now entertain consumer complaint where the value of goods or services paid does not exceed rupees 1 crore. As per Act of 1986, pecuniary jurisdiction of district forum was up to 20 lakh. But now the jurisdiction is not more than rupees 1 crore. Accordingly, the State Commission can entertain the disputes where such value exceeds INR 10 crore, but exceeds 1 crore, but does not exceed INR 10 crore. Sorry. Means to say, the district forum has a pecuniary jurisdiction for the amount up to rupees 1 crore, and State Commission is having pecuniary jurisdiction from the value of rupees 1 crore to 10 crore. Likewise, the National Commission is having the jurisdiction where such value exceeds 10 crores. I'm repeating again. Previously, the pecuniary jurisdiction of district forum was up to 20 lakh, state commission up to 1 crore, and national commission more than 1 crore. But now, revised pecuniary limit of district forum is up to rupees 1 crore. It should not be exceed 1 crore. It is up to rupees 1 crore. But if the amount exceeds rupees 1 crore but does not exceed 10 crore, then the pecuniary jurisdiction will fall to state commission. But if the amount exceeds more than rupees 10 crore, then the pecuniary jurisdiction will fall to national commission. Beside that, another provision introduced by this 2019 Act to ensure speedy resolution of dispute is to provide for referring the dispute to mediation centers, alternate dispute resolution. We have seen so many times that uh, there is a pendency of many cases in a district forum, state commission, national commission, and year to years the pendency exceeds. So, to decrease the pendency of cases and for the speedy resolution of the disputes, 2019 Act has also provided the provision wherein it has mentioned that the matter which have been filed before the district forum, state commission or national commission at initial stage, it should be referred to mediation center for the settlement of the disputes. As per the section 2019 Act, as per 2019 Act, the consumer forum shall refer the matter to mediation on written consent of both the parties. Likewise, we are used to see in the courts when the matter is used to be filed before the court and second party appears before the court, then the court is used to uh, ask both the parties or directly or can direct them to go for the mediation by filing a form wherein both the parties along with their counsel have to sign. Likewise, now these commissions like district commission or state commission and national commission will also do the same. They will have to send the parties to the mediation center to mediate and settle their dispute, but before going they will have to fill a form. For the purpose of the section or the Act of 2019 also provides for establishment of a consumer mediation cell by the respective state or state government in each district commission, state commission as well as the national commission by the central government, which we have seen in our each district commission and state commission and national commission, we have seen there is a mediation center. Beside that, now the matter comes up to complaints. The 2019 Act also provides for filing the complaints before the district forum electronically in accordance with the rules which are to be prescribed by the government. Initially, or with the previous act, we were used to file a complaint uh, manually, but now we can file it online, e-filing complaints. Besides that, there is a provision of establishment of Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA. The new act proposes the establishment of a regulatory authority known as the Central Consumer Protection Authority, with wide power of enforcement. The CCPA will have an investigation wing headed by a Director General, which may conduct inquiry or investigation into consumer law violation. The CCPA has been granted wide powers to take suo motu actions, recall products, order reimbursement of the price of goods, services, cancel license, and file class action suits if a consumer complaint affects more than one individual. Means to say, if there is a complaint with regard to any kind of goods or services or license based services or goods, and there is a class of people, not only a single person, there is a class of people which have been affected by the uh, lack of services or defective goods. In that case, if there is a complaint with CCPA, or if there is no complaint and CCPA have come to know that about such kind of incidents or such kind of multiple complaints or single complaint with multiple people, then CCPA can take suo motu action, and even the license can be cancelled of that particular company with defective goods or defective services. So rest are small definitions. The new act also introduces a specific broad definition of unfair trade practices, which also includes sharing of personal information given by the consumer in confidence unless such disclosure is made in accordance with the provision of other law. I'll share this PDF to all of you. You can go through that. Penalties for misleading advertisement. The CCPA may impose a penalty upon up to INR 1 million on a manufacturer or an endorser for the false misleading advertisement. Likewise, so many times we have seen in the media, like Bollywood actor and actress are used to uh, show the advertisement or act in the advertisement by showing uh, uh, cream or any other things uh, like गोरा होने की क्रीम and पतला होने की दवाई ये वो. So in that event, if we are not getting any satisfactory relief, whatever have been mentioned in the advertisement, in that event, the penalties can also be imposed by CCPA. Even the CCPA can also impose fine and imprisonment of 2 years as well. So basic conclusion is that the Consumer Protection Act 2019, when compared with 1986, shows that it provides for greater protection to consumers' interest, taking into consideration the current age of digitalization. The 2019 Act also deals with the technological advancement in the industries, provides for easier filing of complaints, and also imposes strict liability on business, including endorsers, for violating the interest of the consumers. That's all. So, is there any confusion? Is there any confusion with regard to this PPT? I don't think so. There is anyone present.
No, ma'am.
Who is there? See, I'm going to issue only to those members certificate who are replying to my queries on daily basis. If you are not interested, then let me know. I don't want to waste my time. I want to utilize my time to all of you. And whoever is not interested to join the same, please don't join. Who is seriously interested, please only those persons are requested to join the same.
Ma'am, I was unable to take class from some days. So in today class, I understand some things, and before that, I will watch the videos. So
No issue, but at least utter some words, switch on the camera. At least I should
ma'am,
know who is
actually
present.
there is connectivity issue, so that's why.
Okay, any other one? Any other one?
No, ma'am.
And
No, ma'am. Everything is
yes,
clear.
ma'am, as of for me, after you teach, I go through the same thing again. And until and unless I go through the same thing, ma'am, I don't actually understand what is being taught. So I need reading twice or thrice. So there are no doubts as of now.
Okay, no issue. So,
Excuse me, ma'am, I had one doubt.
yes,
Like, yes, ma'am, like when we file the any complaint in the consumer forum, what all important documents that we need to attach? What
basically
all
it dep
documents are required?
basically it depends upon your complaint against what kind of services you are filing complaint. Like if it is against the defected goods or defected services. So, if supposingly if you are filing a complaint against the defected goods, then you will have to attach the related documents. Like supposingly you are having a mobile which got defective, so invoice you got from the dealer or the showroom you have received, you will have to attach. And if automatically there in the invoice guarantee warranty will be mentioned, there is no need to attach the guarantee card or whatever. This is the basic document. And beside that, if you have and make any complaint, whether it is through WhatsApp, text message, or mail or written, you will have to attach that also.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, if you have any kind of a draft, could you
Yes,
please share
I
in
have
the
so yes, I have so many draft. Who is interested to get that draft? Uh, you can text me on WhatsApp. Then I'll share on your mail ID.
so much, ma'am. Thank you for
Any other one?
resolving my query.
Yeah, thank you. Any other one?
Ma'am, I would just like to know one thing, that is amended part for 2019, which you said regarding the jurisdiction
Hmm.
or the surface area where the file can be complained.
Hmm.
That is, previously we had to file the complaint where the companies, in which state the company is present.
Hmm.
And right, the amendment is I can, like, I am staying in some state where the company's office, there is no regional office or any set of office is not there, but still I can complain in the district
Yes,
forum.
yes.
Okay.
Where you are
Okay.
residing or where you work for gate.
Okay. Ma'am, just actually, I last day I was going through the Bear app,
Hmm.
so I have got one point which I did not understand, or I might have misunderstood also.
Hmm.
That is regarding section 21, regarding the jurisdiction of National Commission.
Hmm.
If we see that 21A, the 21 clause A subclause 1, which gives us the provision to file a complaint to the National Commission. 21A subclause 2 gives us the provision to appeal against the order of any state commission, and 21B is the provision is to call for records and pass appropriate orders in consumer district which is pending before or it has been decided by any state commission.
Hmm.
So what I was trying to understand is, like, we are saying that we can appeal against the order of State Consumer Forum to the National Consumer Forum by we for using under section 21B.
Hmm.
But here the Bear Act says something else, ma'am. Means which I might be misinterpreted. I
The second last line which you have stated, please state once it. एक बार फिर से बोलिए ये लाइन, लास्ट टू सेकंड लाइन.
this subclause B.
No, wherein you have mentioned that uh, call the record from district forum and state
Okay, okay,
commission.
okay, okay. So what the Bear Act is saying, that is section 21 subclause B, to call for records and pass appropriate orders in any consumer dispute which is pending before or has been decided by any state commission, where it appears to the National Commission that such state commission has decided
Yes,
and has exercised a jurisdiction vested in it by law, or has failed to exercise a jurisdiction so vested, or has uh, acted in the exercise of the jurisdiction illegally with material irregularity.
yes. See, supposingly we have filed a complaint in district forum, and I am not satisfied with that order. I go to
Yes, ma'am.
appeal with the state commission, and state commission again pass such a order which again against which I have to move to national commission. This provision says that sorry, this provision says that when we are used to file a complaint or appeal in appeal in national commission, in at that time, after getting the appeal from me, from the customer or from the complainant, the national commission is used to call the record of district forum as well as the state commission, or either either both, or single means state commission, whatever is applicable, so that the national commission could be clarified upon the jurisdictional point as well as other legal points, whereupon I have moved to national commission. This particular provision says that, and this
Okay,
power is for national commission, not for the utilization of the consumer. This is the process.
okay. So if I want to appeal regarding the order of the state consumer forum, so I can use the provision of section 21 A subclause 2 or section 21B.
Whatever is applicable in, you will have to differentiate both of them. There is a minor difference.
Yes. No,
Okay.
actually, I got the same thing. Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry. We will discuss on this point tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So let us meet tomorrow because time is about to over. And if there is any query, you can WhatsApp me. I'll resolve the queries by tomorrow. Okay, then bye.